What happens when your database gets hammered with traffic? Most beginners don't know. And the answer starts with understanding primary and replica servers. In PostgreSQL, the primary server is the single source of truth. It handles all write operations. Every insert, update, and delete goes through the primary. When a user creates an account, submits a form, or updates a record, that data flows directly to the primary. There is only ever one primary server at a time. Replica servers, also called standby servers, are read-only copies of the primary. They handle select queries, things like loading user profiles, fetching product lists, and searching records. Because most applications read far more than they write, you can run multiple replicas and spread that read load across many servers. So, how do replicas stay current? PostgreSQL continuously streams changes from the primary to each replica using streaming replication. Every write committed on the primary gets replicated to the standbys, keeping them nearly in sync in real time. This architecture gives you 3 big wins. First, load distribution. Reads scale horizontally by adding more replicas. Second, high availability. If the primary fails, a replica can be promoted to take over. Third, fault tolerance. Your data is safely duplicated across multiple servers. Primary servers take all writes, replicas serve reads, and streaming replication keeps them in sync. The foundation of scalable PostgreSQL. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.